Hi, welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we are going to learn easy multiplication by 9. Let's see an example. 25 into 9. First, write down the first digit down as it is. So, 2. Now, to find the second digit, imagine or write the numbers 1 to 10 in a horizontal line like this. Next, circle or underline the digits. So 2 and 5. Now, see how many numbers are between, how many non-circle numbers are between 2 and 5. So there are 2. So write 2. Now for the third digit of our answer, see how many numbers are to the right of the last digit. So, there are 5 numbers. So, write 5. So, 25 into 9 is 225. Isn't this method so easy? You could also apply this method in your fingers. So, first fill the second finger and the fifth finger, and next see how many fingers are there between the second and the fifth finger, which is 2. Next find how many fingers are there after the last finger. So there's 5. So this is how we can apply this method by using our hands. Let's see another example. 39 into 9. First, write down the first digit down as it is. So 3. Now to find the second digit of our answer, imagine or write the numbers up till 1 till 10. Horizontally like this. Next, circle or underline the digits. So 3 and 9. Now find how many numbers are there between 3 and 9 that are uncircled. So these numbers. There are 5 numbers. So we write 5. Next, see how many numbers are there to the right of the last circled or underlined number. So there is 1 number. So we write 1. So 39 into 9 is 351. See another example. 368 into 9. So now we are multiplying a 3-digit number by 9. First, write down the first digit down as it is. So 3. Now for the second digit of our answer, imagine or write the numbers from 1 to 10. Next, circle the digits of the number. So 3, 6 and 8. Now, to find the second digit, we find how many numbers there are between the first and the second digit, which is 2. Now we add 2 with 1, so 2 plus 1. If it's a 3-digit number multiplied by 9, for the second digit we add plus 1. When we multiply a 4-digit number by 9, for the second digit we add plus 1, and for the third digit we also add plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now we find how many numbers there are between the second and the third number, which is 1. Now we write this 1 down as it is. Next, find how many numbers are there to the right of the last digit. So that is 2. So we write this 2. So 368 into 9 is 3312. Isn't this method also easy for 3-digit numbers multiplied by 9? As you see, this method uses no multiplication at all, which makes it much more easier. Let's see a 4-digit example. So 1346 into 9. First, write down the first digit down as it is. Next, imagine or write the numbers from 1 to 10 in a horizontal line. Next, circle or underline the digits. So 1, 3, 4 and 6. Next, find how many numbers there are between 1 and the first digit and the second digit, which is 1. Now, as you see here, that in the previous example, when we multiply 3 digit into 9, I told you that when we multiply a 3 digit by 9, that for the second digit you add 1. And also I told that when you multiply a 4 digit number by 9, we add plus 1 to the second digit and plus 1 to the third digit. So we do 1 plus 1, which is 2. So write 2. Now see how many numbers there are between 3 and 4. The third and the fourth digit, which is 0. But we have to add 1. Remember that I said that you have to add 1 to the third digit also. So 0 plus 1, which is 1. Next we see how many numbers there are between the third and the fourth digits. So that is 1. This time we write the 1 down as it is. Next, we see how many numbers there are to the right of the last digit. So that is 4. So we write 4. So 1346 into 9 is 12114. Try another example. A 5-digit number into 9. So 24789 into 9. First, write down the first digit down as it is. So 2. Now, imagine or write the numbers from 1 to 10 in a horizontal line. So, next, circle the digits. So 2, 4, 7, 8 and 9. Now, how many numbers are there between the first and the second number, which is 1. So we add 1 plus 1. When we multiply a 4-digit number by 9, we add plus 1 the second digit and we add plus 1 to the third digit. When we multiply a 5-digit number by 9, we add plus 1 the second digit, the third digit and the fourth digit. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now find how many numbers there are between the second and the third digit, which is 2. So add 2 plus 1, which is 3. Next, find how many numbers there are between the third and the fourth number, which is 0. We add 0 plus 1, which is 1. Now we stop here because we are only supposed to add plus 1 till the fourth digit. So we stop here. Next we see how many numbers there are between 8 and the fourth digit and the fifth digit, which is 0. Next we see how many numbers there are to the right of the last digit, which is 1. So we write 1 over here. So 2, 4, 7, 8, 9 into 9 is 2, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1. And this method only applies to numbers from least to greatest numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 9 will work, but 3, 6, 2, 9 won't work. Into 9 won't work. So it only works from the digits from least to greatest. Also, it won't work if two of the digits are same. For example, if you're multiplying 2, 4, 4, 7, 8 into 9, it won't work because these two digits are same or the same number. Again, if you multiply 2, 8, 7, 9 into 9, it won't work because they are not from least to greatest order, because 2 is less than 8 but 8 is greater than 7, so it won't work.
Thanks for watching.